What's up, YouTube? Quick review and some feedback on this fuel line. This is the Husun 5/16 inner diameter fuel line. You get 10 feet of it, and it's straight MBR, which is what you want, and it's reinforced. It's J30R7 rated, 300 PSI. I'll show you a factory end. Good stuff. In my opinion, it's good stuff. It's got a nice flex to it without kinking. Like, it's got a nice, it's supple enough to make some good bends if you need to. I used it for a couple pieces of patchwork vacuum line on this 4Runner, and it works like a charm. So with this stuff, you know it'll be resistant to any oil and gas mist. You can use it for PCV, you know, and it's gonna last. It'll outlast the car at this point. So, you know, just got some nice little runs here with it. 10 feet got me through all that size of vacuum line. You know, it's a little overkill for vacuum line, but sometimes it's hard to find the right, like, OEM size vacuum line without getting like the exact molded part. So this worked like a charm for what I was doing. It took a constant tension clamp really well, and I don't have any complaints. Feels good, feels quality, it's cheap. So I'll put a link down below if that helps anybody. You know, I wouldn't hesitate to use this for good stuff. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. See ya.